Knowledgecity's tactical planning course, you will learn about tactics and tactical planning. You'll focus on how tactical plans fit into strategic planning, operational planning, and the management roles within this framework. You will also discover the advantages of tactical planning and its relationship with strategic planning. This course is designed to help you prepare for the ASQ Certified Manager of Quality Organizational Excellence Certification examination by focusing on tactical plans for strategic plan development and deployment. The focus is on the body of knowledge within the American Society for Quality and is coordinated with the tactical planning section of the certification examination. Tactics are the actions within a tactical plan that measure successes at each stage of the plan. They help start up the project and create real-time goals. To understand and create tactics, it's useful to think about what needs to be accomplished. Tactics can help break down long-term goals into short-term objectives. Tactics can also be focused on satisfying needs and achieving excellence. They are used for quick tactical or action plans and uncover gaps that may become obstacles if not addressed. Within strategic planning, actionable tactics can be used to visualize the future, establish goals, and create procedures and products. They can also be used in operational planning and tracking progress on daily or weekly tasks and evaluating results. Both degree of flexibility and timeline constraints determine how tactics are created and how they fit into the grand scheme of tactical planning. There are many elements of tactical planning that are used when creating tactics. And according to ASQ, the American Society for Quality, tactical plans identify basic characteristics of tactics: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, time-specific, and linked to strategic objectives. For example, if tactical plan is to reach more customers via social media, then the tactics would be each step of the process labeled specifically as to an attainable action that's relevant to the overall objective and a time frame for its completion, along with an explanation of how success will be measured. So, a tactic might be to train staff on best practices for a particular platform within 30 days, and the success of the action might be measured by how many of the trained employees implement at least one best practice on the platform at the end of the 30-day period. Tactics, tactical planning, operational planning, and strategic goals benefit from being aligned to create a system. Within this system, quality management strategies and compliance can come together to create a structured framework.